Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these write automation tools, which is called Zapier. So let's quickly dive into it. Zapier remains one of the most popular automation tools in 2025, helping users connect thousands of apps like Gmail, Slack, Shopify and Google Sheet without needing any coding skills. The platform is very beginner friendly with its Zap setup, which makes it easy to create workflow that saves times and reduce repetitive tasks. Pros include its huge library of integration, reliable multi-step workflow, and a clean, intuitive interface that work well for both individuals and teams. For business that wants to boost efficiency and keep their tools working together seamlessly, Zapier continues to be a dependable choice for you and your business. So on the downside, Zapier can get expensive as soon as you move beyond the free plan, with strict task limit and higher pricing for advanced features like conditional logic and multi-step automation. Complex workflow also required careful planning to avoid using up tasks too quickly. So compared to newer competitors, it lacks some AI-powered automation features and deeper customization options. So in conclusion, Zapier is still best choice if you are a user who wants a reliable no-code automation with wide app compatibility. But powerful users or those with complex need may find more value in alternatives like Make or N8N. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.